In the next few years, your operating system might not just wait for your commands, it'll anticipate them. Imagine sitting at your PC and your desktop already knows what you plan to do today, opening your work apps, adjusting the lighting, even suggesting the files you were editing last night. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's the future of AI integrated desktops, and it's coming faster than we think. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is about to reshape the way we use our computers forever. From Windows and macOS to Linux and beyond, this is the future of operating systems. For decades, operating systems have been reactive. You click, they respond. But now, the game is changing. We're entering a new era where the OS becomes an active assistant, learning, adapting, and optimizing itself around you. Think back. Windows 95 was about usability. macOS refined design. Linux gave us freedom. But 2025 onward, it's about intelligence. Your OS will analyze how you work, when you work, and what you prefer, creating a personal computing experience tailored specifically to you. Microsoft has already hinted at this future with Copilot integration in Windows. Apple is quietly building on-device AI into macOS. And open source projects are exploring the same AI-powered window management, smart app recommendations, and automated work. So how does an AI-integrated desktop actually work? It starts with context. Modern operating systems can already track performance, memory usage, and system activity. AI adds another layer, understanding your habits. For example, if you often open OBS, Blender, and Krita together, your desktop might start suggesting them the moment you connect your drawing tablet. Or if you always mute notifications before recording, the OS could do it automatically. Behind this, machine learning models are analyzing local data, all happening securely. The goal isn't just automation, it's intuition. Imagine your OS learning your creative flow, your productivity peaks, even your focus time, and building your digital environment around that. Windows has taken the first big leap. Microsoft Copilot is already deeply integrated into Windows 11 and upcoming Windows. 12 concepts show even deeper personalization, from task prediction to adaptive UI themes. macOS, on the other hand, is leaning into intelligence subtly. Siri may have started slow, but Apple's push for on-device machine learning means macOS could soon predict user intent without sending data to the cloud. Apple's personal intelligence initiative is about giving your Mac the ability to adapt to you without breaching privacy. And then there's Linux, the open playground of innovation. Developers are already experimenting with open source AI assistants like LM Studio, Olama, and LocalGPT to integrate voice control, context awareness, and self-optimizing environments directly into the desktop. Imagine KDE, Plasma or GNOME with built-in AI modules that learn your workflow patterns and auto-adjust performance or layouts in real time. This open source advantage means the Linux world could lead the personalization revolution without sacrificing transparency. The potential here is massive. AI integrated desktops can revolutionize productivity, accessibility, and even creativity. Imagine your OS detecting your stress levels through typing, rhythm, or facial cues, and automatically enabling focus mode, or automatically switching between performance and battery saver modes based on your day's schedule. AI could also bridge the gap between platforms, syncing your workflow across devices intelligently. You start writing a script on your Linux PC, continue it on your tablet, and your AOS keeps everything in perfect context, from apps to clipboard to open tabs. And for creators, AI could suggest better color palettes, project file names, or even auto-organize your workspace based on what you're editing. But it's not all perfect. The integration of AI into operating systems raises questions about privacy, control, and transparency. If your OS learns from your habits, where does that data go? Can you disable it? Will it be open source or hidden behind corporate servers? This is where Linux and open platforms may play a critical role, giving users the right to audit, customize, and even host their own AI assistants locally. Another challenge is dependency. If your OS starts automating too much, users may lose control or awareness of their systems. The line between assistance and control becomes blurry. The best AIOs will need to empower users, not replace them. So what's next? Within the next few years, expect your desktop to evolve from a passive tool into a true digital companion. We'll see AI-driven launchers, adaptive interfaces, and even predictive file systems. Maybe your next OS 1T just run applicatives that'll understand what you're trying to achieve. The desktop of the future isn't about icons or windows. It's about intent. So, what do you think? Are AI integrated desktops the future we've been waiting for? Or are they a step too far? Share your thoughts below. I read every comment. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next futuristic tech concept. The future of computing is here, and it's getting smarter every day.